Okay, to continue the discussion about quantifiers, maybe you have noticed that we often say a quantifier with of. This is because I want to use a determiner. A determiner means the, or my, your, his or her, its, their, our, that, this, those, or these. If you want to say these words with a quantifier, you must use of. Okay? Now, examples. Someone stole all. So now I want to say my money. Okay? Someone stole all of my money. Another example. Can I have a little? And I want to say your coffee. So can I have a little of your coffee? My parents. So both of my parents are angry with me right now. Okay? So that's why we say of with quantifiers. And I know many students make mistakes with using of. So if you want to say the, or my, or your, or this or that, or these or those, you have to say of with a quantifier. Now we don't use of with the quantifiers no and every. Okay? We can't say no of my friends. No, no, no. We have to say none of my friends. Okay? So no of, no, none of. And we can't say every of. Okay? We have to say every one of. Okay? Every one of. So, none of your friends called you on your birthday? That's terrible. Every one of, and I want to say the students in the classroom, every one of the students in the classroom is tired. All of the people, okay? All of the is the same as every one of the. So all of the people, okay, outside are waiting to buy the new phone. And finally, I went to none of the restaurants. Not no of the restaurants. No, I went to none of the restaurants she recommended. Okay? Now when we use the last note, when we use none, none means zero. Okay? Now, grammatically, good grammar, we should use plural, a plural verb, okay? But in English, many people make mistakes, and it's okay to make mistakes. So when you say none, you can use a singular verb or a plural verb. Okay, example, none of them is or are here. It's zero, so many English people don't know the correct way. None of her friends smokes or smoke. And none of the people outside has or have come in yet. So please understand this is just an introduction to quantifiers. We are going to study the meaning and study special quantifiers in the next units. Okay, in the exercises, the first exercise, you have to read the sentence and please try to write all the different possible quantifiers that we can use in each sentence. Okay? Number one, example, how, okay, how, it's a question. How something, the ornaments. Ornament you can count. So how many? Now we have the, so we should write how many of the ornaments were handmade. This is the only possible answer for number one. But in the other questions, more than one choice is possible. In the second exercise, each sentence has a mistake about the quantifiers. Please correct the mistakes and rewrite the sentence. Those are the two exercises in Grammar 6-1 Quantifiers. Good luck.